Thank you. Are you praying? Hallelujah! Uh-oh. I guess you get to hear me sneeze. Oh yeah! Yeah, you go boy. Yeah, we're gonna die! Told you!
Cell phone with a camera on it?
No, it's just cell phone's right here. It's just video camera. Giant burp. Anybody want some more hot dogs?
No.
You guys want some more hot dogs? More hot dogs, man? He just did a big Uncle Joey. You missed it.
Big burp? Yeah. We always do those. I love those.
This is the first one. That's the pics. Wussing out. You see what the heck? I'm the toughest. Oh, that was just lightning. I've seen lightning.
Apparently we're staying.
Yeah, great idea! That lady is scared. I'm like zooming in on that lady over there, freaking out.
You know what?
Everything's kind of cleaned up, right? So we
Well, the only indoors we have is the bathroom.
Okay. Just as long as everything can be picked up and we can run. Oh, there's a ball. Yeah, I'll move. Alright, purse. This is not happening. I'm getting myself wet.
Amy, your windows are up. You have to take a look right now and see they're up.
Here you go. I've got fucking wood.
Shoot, since everyone's cleaning the rain, just start throwing water balloons up there.
You won't need water balloons. Yeah, you won't need water balloons now. You alright?
What?
I wanna play.